This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Sharon McCallon Andrus. Business is a shoe shop. All equipment will go with the sale. Everything you need to repair shoes or make shoes. Great location. Would also be a great spot for a restaurant with a drive-through. 2-acre lot. Plenty of space for a big parking lot to accommodate all your customers. Building is plenty big enough to have a shoe shop and a restaurant or the business of your choice. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon McCallon Andrus at 337-463-2121.